What is up, grade 12s? Once again, it's NosANA here, back with another video. In this video, we are going to be doing an optimization question for 4 marks. Right, the question states that the volume of a box with a rectangular base is 3072 cubic centimeters. Right, the length of the 3 sides are in the ratio of 1:2:3. Calculate the length of the shortest side. Calculate the length of the shortest side. So what you can just do before you even do anything is construct a rectangle, construct a box with a rectangular base. That's what you gotta do. Construct a box with a rectangular base. So I'm not good in this thing of drawing, but I'm going to try and just construct. It doesn't matter how your box is going to look. Okay, it doesn't matter how your box will look as long as it has a rectangular base, guys. uh okay, pardon me, this drawing thing is kind of not my thing. Okay, da 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 da, something like that. So that's the face, and then I'm gonna do this, da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay, right, I mean that looks like something. So we are going, I remember I said it doesn't matter the way that your box looks like, it's fine. So you just need to understand what they are saying here. Notice that all the sides are not the same, right? You have the shorter side, so your shorter side is the one that is going to have the ratio, the one part of the ratio, right? So it, in this case, I'm going to make it my height. I don't know, you guys call it the breadth, but I'm going to call it the height, right? So I will say this is the height. So I'm just gonna make it x, right? I'll make it x, and then my second longest side, which is represented by the 2, it's going to be this part here. So I'll make it 2x. I'll make this part the 2x, and then my longest side in this case is the length. So I'm gonna make it what? I'm gonna make it 3x. I'll make it 3x, and then I am going to write the area formula, guys. I mean, sorry, the volume formula, guys. From here, I'll write the volume formula, which is volume is equal to the length times the breadth times the heights. Right, now what I gotta do is equate the volume that they've given me there. It's 3072 equal to my length. What did I say my length was? My length is 3x, right? My length is 3x. Okay, so if that is my length, okay, let me just use another color. That is my length. I'm going to multiply it with my breadth, right? I'm going to multiply it with my breadth, which is 2x, and I will also multiply that with my height, which is the shorter side in this case, which is going to be x, like that. Okay, sorry for using this confusing thing, the putting the times. So when you multiply this, we're going to get what? We are going to get 3 times 2 is 6, so we get 6x cubed, right? And then here we have 37.2. Right, now we're just going to divide by 6 on both sides. You guys already know this. Therefore, I'm going to take this this side, guys. I'll take this side, and I'll have x cubed is equal to, if you divide now 3072, if you divide 3072 by 6, you are supposed to get 512, right? You get 512s, and now you gotta root both. I mean, you gotta cube root both the sides. Usually what you can just do is multiply the, if you understand your laws of exponents, what you can just do is multiply that by 1 over 3, right? And then you multiply this with 1 over 3 there. You make this exponent of this 512 1 over 3. So now your answer will be equal to, so now we just say 512 to the power of 1 over 3, right? And you will get 8, right? You can do this, guys, or instead of all this, what you can just do is you can just say x cubed is equal to, not x cubed, you can just say x is equal to, sorry, you can just say x is equal to, and then you do that, you put your cube there, and then you put 5, 12, like that, and then your answer is going to be 8. It's the same thing. But I like this method here because, you know, it shows that you understand your laws of exponents. Either way, guys, one way or the other is correct. So we've actually just solved it. The answer is 8. That means that the shortest side is, remember, the shorter side, we said that it was represented by x, right? Which makes sense. So it'll be 8 is 2. You take the second shorter side, which is 2x, which we said was the breadth, right? So it'll be, this part will be 16, and then the other parts where you have your length as the longest side, it'll be what? It'll be 3 times 8, and that will give you 24. And that just means that the ratio is true. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Until we meet again in the next video. Cheers. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and help the NosANA community grow. Bye.